So, after all of the chaos of New York City, you begin to kind of settle in. You begin to find your life and your friends and your jobs and your home. But the one thing that was still missing for me was a sense of artistic connection. This next song, Being Alive, I think really just captures that essence of striving to make connection and meaning in a world of chaos. And it's a familiar tune, so if you'd like to sing along, feel free to join me. Somebody hold me too close. Somebody hurt me too deep. Somebody sit in my chair and ruin my sleep and make me aware of being alive. Being alive. Somebody need me too much. Somebody know me too well. Somebody pull me up short and put me through hell and give me support for being alive. Being alive. Being alive. Make me alive. Mock me with praise. Let me be used. Vary my days. For alone is alone, not alive. Somebody crowd me with love. Somebody force me to care. Somebody make me come through. I'll always be there, as frightened as you.